Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Queen Jody and behind the camera as usual is AP.
You don't know.
And we are here once again in Tujereng at this beautiful 3-bedroom apartment. Now you guys have seen this in a live stream before, but you were like, oh guys, this video is not clear. So we are here to do over this video because the property is still available for rent. Alright, so stick and stay till the end. Don't miss any of this video.
Alright. Okay.
So guys, we are now entering the premises.
Yeah.
Alright, this is the front area, front garden. As you can see, lots of greenery.
Yes.
And as I said in the last video, it's always good to have greeneries in your house. You know, like you look have a small gardening space that just bring in that nature vibe that you need when you need to just relax and chill. Yeah.
Speaking of relaxing and chilling, the yard is so quiet.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Especially even though you have neighbors. Oh.
I like that they maintain these flowers.
Yeah.
Very nice.
It's well maintained.
Yes.
And then there's a small area that you can use, wash or water the garden. Let's take a look around the back.
You want to go around the back first? Yeah.
So as I was saying guys, this is a 3-bedroom apartment. I believe it's 2 bathrooms as well, but we'll confirm when we get inside. All right.
That's good.
And for me, I always love a space that you can walk entirely around. This one, it's not entirely around, but for most of the premises, you can actually walk right around it. So we are now at the back area. We can enter here to the living room or one of the sitting rooms, or we can go back around to the front. Let's see, but like how we're at the back, maybe we'll just enter from here. So this is another wash area.
Yeah, it's huge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice little garbage being placed.
Around here is good enough size.
Yes.
Yeah.
I absolutely love the white and grays for some reason.
The tiling.
Yeah. Not just the tiling, but the whole look. So now guys, we'll be taking a tour of the inside. I know initially I said 3-bedroom, 2 bathroom, but it's actually 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Yeah. So let's go in and see.
Let's go. You know, it's powered by cash power.
And guys, right here is the entryway. And as I told you earlier, it's an apartment. So as I walk in, you're gonna see to my left, yeah, when I'm walking in, to my left is gonna be a staircase. Let's go. And to my right is where we will enter for the downstairs apartment. All right, let's go upstairs. And now for the apartment that we're actually renting. Okay guys, so as you walk in, this I would call the entryway. Now if you're going to be taking this space, consider a nice big artwork just right over on that corner. Either way, onto my right, it's a big sitting room, very spacious. You notice there's a few furnitures in already, and I mean, you can decorate as you like. You know, just to make your space feel more like you when you are here. What I do love about this design or this house in particular is the roofing, the style of the ceiling, how it is built. You know, it reminds me of them hotels where you go with them nice light. I don't know. I'm going warm on this roof in my house. You know?
Hey, let's go.
Anyways,
let's go. I like it.
And even the doors, I like that they maintain like wooden doors, because most of the places I've gone, I've seen like metal doors and you know, but these are nice. These wooden doors are nice, and just the design, it's not just a plain old wooden door, it's just with nice mirrors, you know.
You mean nice glass?
Yeah, nice.
Nice mirrors.
Glass. Alright. So, to the right of this sitting area is the master bedroom. Alright.
We should also tell them that, you know, it's partly furnished, so yes, that's why it's like this.
It is partly furnished, guys, as you can see. We just saw the two small sofas and the little...
the sitting area.
Yeah, the sitting area. And what you need to know about these furnitures is that they are built here. Yeah, you see these designs, really crafted well. These are built here in Gambia. Alright guys, so this master bedroom is nice and spacious, and with it comes a nice and spacious bathroom as well. Ooh. You know me, I love to have, even if we're having a shower, I love to have a bathtub in the bathroom, because you know, when you don't want to just stand up and shower, you just want to take a little nice bubble bath or relaxed, soothing bath. You can go in there and set up your water and set up your herbs and all this stuff here. Anyways, enough of my talk. Let's see where it's going to apartment.
Yeah, I also like this thing here, this face spacing. It's nice here as well. I like that everything is like spacious. It also have a water heater.
That's right.
You know, so this bathroom is very nice, and I like the tile as well. It's very nice.
Not bad at all. Yeah.
Nope. Yeah, it's dope.
Alright guys, let's go in further.
Yeah, spacious like
so now you enter from you enter here into the entryway, and we just saw the sitting room, and we just saw the master bedroom. Now we're going over to where you have this big open space. I consider this like that dining kind of vibe area, because the kitchen is not far from it. And you can look on from the sitting room here into this space. Guys, is an outdoor area. It has its own bathroom here. So if you have guests, they can come in and use this bathroom.
Okay, nice.
There's no water heater in, but you know, it's big enough for that. And this would be nice for a nice sitting outdoor area if you wanted, you know. I would just like add like a little tarpaulin or something that just take off a little of the sun, and you put your little plants and stuff. And this is like the kitchen window, so you can be looking in to the kitchen or out from the kitchen here, you know. What I do love also is the security of the place, guys. We have, you know, high fencing, barbed wires all around, that you know, you feel more secure within your premises, not so easily jumped.
That's true. That's really funny. Yeah.
Guys, you should see this ceiling. I mean, it's really beautiful the way how they have designed it. It's like this 3D thing going on. Alright, now the last time we came here and we did the live stream, there was no kitchen cupboards or anything like that. It was just empty, this kitchen area. But now the owners have been taking their time to set it up, and this is beautifully done. It's not fully complete, there is work in progress, as the sink should be here, and you know, the cupboard is open up, so that's where the plumbing should be. Yeah, so it's a work in progress. I mean, from not having any cupboards to having some cupboards that look absolutely beautiful. Look at this clean, very clean cupboards.
Locally made.
Locally made. Exactly. So I know with this kitchen area as well, depending on what else is going to be in the space. I know the owner of this has said that they will have fridge and stove, I think, and stuff like that. So whatever else you would need to make yourself feel comfortable,
just
you can add. But I believe this is a beautiful open kitchen space somewhat. You know, even though it's not open to the sitting room, it's open that you can have air flowing in and light.
Yeah, because you have 2 windows.
Right.
That's true. I like that actually.
Alright, so I did say this apartment has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. We just saw the master bedroom around that side. So we're going to be going into the back room around this end. Alright, it's spacious, you know, enough for you to have a nice queen size double bed in here, or with wardrobe and stuff like that. You know, just the curtains need to be added. And
also, to add that the landlord will be repainting the house too, so
exactly.
yes.
So don't mind the spots that you see on the walls. All of that will be repainted. We're going into this bathroom. Pardon us, no light is here just now, but
no, you can see everything.
Oh, you can
just
see
show them.
good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. So this is the bathroom. This one doesn't have the bath, but it actually has a shower. And you know, to be honest, when I came to Africa, I never understood why we had these things here initially. But I've gotten so used to it. I still use toilet paper, guys. But
seriously,
at least, you know, at least it kind of gives you that ease to wash yourself when you know you do some extra stuff in the toilet.
Yeah, listen, let me cut.
So we're going into the third bedroom. It also has a bathroom.
Wait, and we should say that from this bedroom, there's a kitchen. This was the room that we're coming from. Okay.
Right. Alright, come on in.
Yeah. Thank you for inviting me.
So this one is partly furnished as well. It has this wardrobe.
And these items can be removed, guys. They will if you want. Yes.
Yeah. Alright. I think it's the same for this bathroom as well. Beautiful. So we have the shower here, we have our towel rack, the toilets as usual, where you can hang your small towel. Nice face basin with, you know, these people really put some thought into
candle.
Yeah. No, it's not candle, for your toothbrushes and
toothbrush? I thought it was candle holder.
You could put your candle there as well, but hi.
Somebody's looking nicer.
Yeah. Alright guys, so you must be wondering, I've seen this apartment, how much is it for the rent, right? So this is basically going for $230, guys, yeah. $230,000 for the year. That's for the year, guys. Please Google it and you will see how much the currency is at that time when you Google it, alright? But yeah, $230,000, that's for the year. You may, I'm not saying it's a possibility, but you can get 6 months, but preferably the owner or the landlord is going for 1 year. I believe security deposit is also a thing, so yeah,
but when you reach out, we'll provide more info.
We'll provide more information. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just stay tuned to the channel for more of these videos coming. And also guys, if you are interested in owning your own piece of land in the Gambia, feel free to give us an email at info@viawaland.com, or give us a call on one of the our sales rep a call on one of the numbers that we will leave either on the screen or in the description below. Alright guys, so one of the amenities with this apartment is that you can literally go straight upstairs to see the view of Tujereng. Alright, so take a walk with us upstairs. One of the beauty about having an upstairs apartment to live is that you have access to, you know, the above view, if I should say that. I was lost for words a while ago. Just coming upstairs just kind of gave me that nice vibe.
Well, check this though.
So check this out.
Check this view.
You can see the entire community. You know, you can see the entire community from up here, and the view is so beautiful. I mean, can you imagine if the beach was even this more close? The beach is not far from here though, like a driving distance or so away, but probably 5 minutes, 2 minutes. But just the ambience of the coconut trees and the palm trees, and you know, from all the way up here, it's just beautiful.
Yeah, this is a borewall. So seriously,
me and these heights, guys. But anyways, I believe this is a borehole, so yes, actually it's actually filling up right now, so you'll always have access to water here, you know, aside from the cash power that will go. Look at this beautiful sitting area, guys. That I will just go and have a seat and let you see the view. All right, now guys, who wouldn't want to rent this apartment? Such nice, beautiful ambience, fresh air, and sunshine.